Well, I wouldn't be here trying to sleep in this cold night.